Wait, I think I finally found my everyday fragrance. It's clean, warm, and honestly doesn't smell overpowering. I've worn it a few times now, and every time someone asks me what I'm wearing. So yes, this one is staying in my rotation.
Now, you see that UGC video you just watched right now? That video was created using Seedance 2.5. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Seedance 2.5 to create 30-second UGC video, which you can also extend to 1 minute or 30-minute UGC video. In this video, I'm going to break everything down for you step by step. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, without wasting much of your time, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can create a professional UGC video like what you just watched a moment ago. Let's get started. So to get access to this platform we are going to be using to create our UGC video right now, the first thing you are going to do is to head over to the description of this video or the comment section of this video, and you are going to see a link. Now when you click on the link, it is going to take you to an interface where it will ask you to register. So immediately you register, it will bring you to an interface like this where you are going to see different type of AI model they have. As you can see, AI video generator, AI podcast, and all these things. But right now we are here to create our UGC video. 30 seconds. All you need to do is to click on this side here. You click on it and you are going to see AI translator, AI images, all these things. So the next thing you are going to do is to click on AI videos. Now, when you click on AI videos, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where you can upload your image, you can upload and set everything. So now, let me show you what you need to do. Just click on where they say Google here, this Google icon. You click on it, and when you click on it, this is where you're going to see different type of AI model you can use. So for the sake of this video, we are going to be using Seedance 2.5. As you can see, Seedance 2.5 here, and you tap on it. So when you tap on Seedance 2.5, it's going to open like this. Now the next thing you're going to do is to paste your prompt here. The prompt you want to use, just paste it here. So I'm going to be pasting my prompt right now. Now after you paste your prompt, the prompt of the UGC video you want to create, just paste everything here. Now after you paste it, the next thing you're going to do is to select your aspect ratio and resolution. So my aspect ratio is going to be 9:16. And after you put it on 9:16, you select your duration. Then we are going to put it in 30 seconds. As you can see, 30 seconds here. And after you put it in 30 seconds, the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate. But mind you, this platform, it is not free. Because right now, as you can see, if you want to generate video right now, we need 120 credits to generate this video. It depends on the time selection you select. If you put it in 10 seconds, it's going to have lesser credit. As you can see, like say 20 seconds right now, you are going to see we need only 800 credits. So it depends on this time duration you choose. So I'm putting my own in 30 seconds. And after you put it in 30 seconds, the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate. And immediately you click on generate, it's going to generate your video. And this is the type of video you are going to get. As you can see, this is the result here with the prompt I just pasted right now. So I don't want to play this video again because I've already played it before. So this is the video and you can download it. I also generate this video with it. As you can see, this UGC video, I also generate this video with it, and I've generated a lot of videos using this platform. And that is not only thing you can do on this platform. You can also create images. When you come to image here, you can create images. As you can see, AI image generator, AI image editor, and a lot of things. You can do it on this platform. Now, another thing you can also do on this platform is AI voice. So if you want to do AI voice, you want to clone your voice, you want to do text to speech, all these things, you can do it on this platform. But it is not free. You have to upgrade to get the package you want to use. So this is how you can create a UGC video using this platform with a simple prompt. So if you need a master prompt that is going to be writing your UGC prompt for you for your videos, you can check this out right here. Just check the link in the comment section or the description of this video, and it's going to take you to an interface like this where you are going to get access to a master prompt that you can just paste to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to be writing your UGC
videos for you that you just copy and you put it on this platform or any platform to generate your UGC videos. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.